Hello everyone, Larry Lavranchi for Ichimoku.co and ForexTrading.tv with a daily analysis for the US dollar Japanese yen for the trading day ending 17th December 2013. Well, continuation of the trend to the downside. The candle we're analysing is the second last candle here that has finished developing, and it's another black body candle and continues for the third consecutive trading day with black body candle, and the size of that black body has increased, and that may be important to this market. It suggests that the sellers in net terms are building some momentum, and suggests that we could see the market trade lower. Now, we have seen the sellers close with control of this market as well by closing down below the midpoint level, but it's not terribly strong control. We do have a shadow on the bottom of this candle, and shadow represents the sellers losing commitment as they tested down around the 102.50 level, and that was an area in a minor way that acted as previous support and then previous resistance, and those areas were breached, so that's not a terribly strong area, but we really should be watching that area around 102.50 for a potential to continue the trend to the downside. If we look at the recent past, however, we have had a similar style of trading only about a week or so ago when the market tested down below this level, and then the buyers came back in strongly, and today we've seen the market close once again below the Tenkan-sen. Usually a close below the Tenkan-sen is a significant event, and especially on a bearish close, and we have seen that now for the third consecutive time as the market was pulling back in this second time frame uptrend. But there is a possibility here that the buyers may come back into this market strongly. If we look at this here, this bearish closed below the Tenkan-sen, the buyers came in strongly, and then the previous time, a test just below, they're closing just below in a similar manner to today's trading, the buyers came in strongly once again. If the buyers come in a magnitude similar that they did for these previous two occasions, we could see the market testing up to perhaps a 103.50 level, or even the 103.75 level of previous resistance. So we are on the lookout for a potential higher high and higher low, a potential change in the trend. So the high of the current candle at 103.10 becomes important, but so does the low. The low at the 102.50 level that I've mentioned is important because that was an area that the market has tested to, and we are now seeing buyers come in, but there still is a potential for the trend to continue down. In terms of Ichimoku, a bullish market in the long-term time frame with the market trading above the cloud, bullish in the medium-term time frame by trading above the Kijun-sen, but technically just bearish by trading below the Tenkan-sen. But if you look at the recent past, these tests below the Tenkan-sen, we haven't seen any follow-through, and we have seen the buyers come in. So what we're looking for here is follow-through, something different than what we've seen when the market saw the buyers come in. We're looking for follow-through from the sellers to establish that ascendancy, that supremacy from the sellers that we didn't see previously. Now, whether that occurs or not, we just have to wait until the market reacts to these levels, and it's important as traders that we watch these levels, we become aware of them when we react to them as the buyers or the sellers show us in the candles with the short-term dynamics what way the balance of the supply and demand is going. So moving forward, we have a market that's bearish in two time frames. Considering that, we are looking for the buyers to come back in to give us some sort of a signal that the trend is continuing up along its way. The current candle as it's developing is seeming that way. We have seen some rejection from the 102.50 level already, and the market is trading up above the Tenkan-sen, but the candle hasn't completed, so we can't go by that at the moment. But there is a real possibility that the market could change trend, so we are looking for a potential higher high and higher low, or we're watching this 102.50 level for a potential lower high and lower low, looking for follow through to change this pattern that we've seen in the recent past.